Hi students, I am going to start exercise 7.9 second sum fifth subdivision. Second sum fifth subdivision. Y is equal to x cube divided by 24 minus log x. X cube divided by 24 minus log of x. So to find the value of Kirchhoff curve, so Kirchhoff curve means is a 7 conditions are satisfied in the given functions. Okay, so now solution: given function f of x equal to y is equal to x cube divided by 24 minus log x. The domain f of x is 0 to infinity. Is a log value is not negative term. Okay, so now and this term is 0 to infinity. Okay, so the second one, the curve is not symmetrical. In this curve is not symmetrical. And the third one, substitute y equal to 0, substitute in y equal to 0 in this equation. So x cube divided by 24 minus log x equal to 0. So log x is come this side, is a log x equal to x cube divided by 24. Then e power log x equal to e power x cube divided by 24. So e power log is cancelled. So x equal to e power x cube divided by 24. It has no y intercept. Okay, so x value is e power is not value. So y is not no y intercept. Then x equal to 0 in substitute now. Log 0 is not possible. Not 0 is not possible. It has no x intercept. Okay. So y value is not intercept and x is not intercept. Okay. And f of x equal to x cube divided by 24 minus log x is a differentiate with respect to x, and f of x is a differentiate value f dash of x equal to x cube divided by 24 is a differentiate value 1 by 24 is a constant term. So constant term. Right now there is 24 and x cube is a differentiate value 3x square minus log x is a differentiate value 1 divided by x. Then 3 divided by 24 is a cancel equal to 1 divided by 8. Then x square divided by 8 minus 1 divided by x. The cross multiple value of x into x square x cube minus 1 into 8 divided by 8 into x 8x. Then f dash of x equal to x cube minus 8 divided by 8x. So therefore the conditions applies for apply now. F dash of x equal to 0. So therefore x cube minus 8 divided by 8x equal to 0. So x cube minus 8 equal to 0 and 8x equal to 0. X cube equal to minus 8 is come this side is a plus 8. Then x cube equal to 2 cube. Then x equal to 2. And 8x equal to 0. So x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is does not domain. Does not belongs to domain. Okay, so therefore this conditions is 0 to infinity is the domain value. So in this number line, say the number line of 0 to infinity, and with the point of x equal to 2, so 2, then the interval of 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So interval of 0 to 2 and 2 to infinity, sign of f dash of x. So 0 to 2 in between the value of anyone, say x equal to 1. In x equal to 1 is substitute now f dash of x equal to 1 divided by 2 cube. 1 cube means 1 square means 1 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by, so 1 by 8 minus 1 divided by 1. Okay, so 1 divided by 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. So 8 ones are a minus 8 plus 1. So minus 7 divided by 8. So negative value. Negative value. And 2 comma infinity. So 2 to infinity in between the value of say x equal to 3. In substitute f dash of x means 3 means x square means 3. 3 square by 9. 9 divided by 8 minus 1 divided by 3. In substitute simplify the value of 19 divided by 24 is a positive value. Okay, so the monotonicity is 0 to 2 decreasing value and 2 to infinity is increasing value. Okay, now f of x is decreasing in 0 to 2 and increasing in 2 to infinity. And fourth condition, since f dash of x changes its sign from negative to positive, it has local minimum at x equal to 2. Therefore, f of 2 equal to 8 divided by 24. X equal to 2 means f of 2, 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 divided by 24 minus log 2. So therefore 1 divided by 3 is equal to log 2. Log 2 means log of base E2 is equal to 0.6931 log value. So therefore 1 by 3 is a divided value 0.33 minus log 2 is equal to 0.6931. Therefore, is a substitute the value is f of 2 is equal to 0.33 minus 0.6931 is subtract value of minus 0.36. Okay, so therefore f of 2 is equal to minus 0.36. And f double dash of x is equal to f dash of x is a differentiate value 2x divided by 8 minus 1 by x means is a differentiate value minus 1 divided by x square. So minus into minus plus 1 divided by x square. Then f double dash of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 2 square 4. Okay, so therefore 2 2s are 4, 4 divided by 8. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is a cross multiple value of 1 4s are 4. Plus 1 2s are 2 divided by 2 4s are 8. So 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 8 is cancelled 3 divided by 4. So positive values so greater than or equal to 0. Therefore it attains minimum at x equal to 2 and f double dash of x equal to 0. So f double dash of x value is x divided by 4 plus 1 divided by x square equal to 0. Then the cross multiply x into x cube plus 4 divided by 4 into x square 4x square equal to 0. So in the denominator values come this side is 0. X cube plus 4 equal to 0. X cube equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4 whole power 1 by 3. So x equal to does not belongs to 0 to infinity. In this interval point of 0 to infinity, not negative term. So therefore no point of inflection. Therefore the point of inflection is no. And since y equal to 0 does not exist, it has a horizontal asymptote at y equal to 0. Horizontal asymptote y equal to 0. See the diagram is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. And horizontal asymptote is x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 the asymptote values. And the increasing point is x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means is here 0 to 2 is decreasing and 2 to infinity is a increasing point. And the point of f of 2 is equal to 0 minus 0 comma 36 minus 0.36 is a substitute the value of x equal to 2 means x-axis is 2. Now 2 comma minus 0.36 0.36 in this point of is value in this point of 2 comma minus 0.36. Okay, so x-axis is a plus infinity and plus infinity to 0 to 2 is a decreasing value. So see the curve is decreasing and 2 to infinity is a increasing value. So 2 to in this term is in point is a start now is increasing point. Okay, that's all the conditions are satisfied. Now we will meet the next class.